Federal Executive Council has approved the transmission of the proceeds of Crime Recovery and Management Agency Bill to the National Assembly to facilitate the establishment of an agency for recovered assets. The Attorney General and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami stated this when he briefed State House correspondents on the outcome of the 15th virtual meeting of the Council presided over by President Muhammadu Buhari in Abuja.
The Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and indeed the Federal Ministry of Justice presented a Council memo today. The Council memo is about a bill which we seek the approval of the Council to transmit to the National Assembly for passage. It is a proceeds of Crime Recovery and Management Agency Bill. It is, in essence, a bill that is targeted and intended to have in place a legal and institutional framework. The legal component of it is having a law, and the institutional component of it is to have an agency that will be saddled with the responsibility of managing the assets that constitute the proceeds of crime in Nigeria.
The Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Dr. Zainab Ahmed, who also spoke on the outcome of the meeting, said she presented a memo to the Council in respect of the second quarter GDP report, which was earlier released by the National Bureau of Statistics on August 24.
The GDP report showed that the economy went to a negative growth of -6.10% in the second quarter, but that the aggregate performance for half year 2020 is -2.1%. This performance of -6.1% is a good performance in the sense that it is better than what we had projected second quarter performance to be at 7.2%. This performance also is a good performance because it outperforms the projections that have been done by the Brentwood institutions, but also it outperforms very developed economies of the world and also economies that are comparable to us.
The minister noted that Nigeria's economy had shown some level of resilience in its level of performance.
The US, for example, went into a negative growth of 33% for the second quarter 2020 and 19% half year 2020. Similarly, the UK, Canada, Italy, several countries of the world all went into very significant negative growth. So Nigerian economy has shown some level of resilience in this level of performance.